السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته, brothers and sisters. جزاكم الله khairan for participating to doing the school assessment. Um, I'm now going to show you the way that we are going to do it, inshallah. So each two of us will do the same level, and then we will take the average of the two readings. So, for example, level one will be done by two people, will be done by Sister Aya and Sister Nashwa. So, but Sister Aya will be doing the column A, while Sister Nashwa will be doing column B. So, column A and column B, you would see here in the Excel sheet. So, this is called difficulty level A and B. So, this means that for doing level 1, uh, so Sister Aya will doing this and Sister Nashwa will do this, and then we will have another column for doing the average reading. And this is also for level 2, the same thing for Sister Aya and Sister Nashwa. For them, for Sister Aya, I will share with her doing level 4. I will be 4A and she will be 4B. And I will also share with brother Mahmoud doing level 3. He will be 3A and I will be 3B. For brother Mahmoud, he will share with sister Naswa doing level 5. He will do 5A and she will do 5B. And I will share with brother Mahmoud doing level 6. He will do 6A and I will do 6B, and so on. This is one first point. Second point, as brother Ihab shared before, that we have different tracks. So in level 6, we only have one track. So you would notice here. So this is the number of tracks. So 15, it is for level 1. But for 14 and 13 and the 12 and 11, this is for level so this is for level 6. So level 6 is has track 15, while level 5 has track 14, 13, 12, and 11. So this is what Brother Ibrahim has done so far. So Brother Ibrahim has put the questions for this for the one highlighted with the green color. And he promised, inshallah, he will continue finishing the questions for the level 4, 3, 2, and 1, probably tonight, inshallah. Yeah, so this means that if you are doing level B, so just be careful not to go to level A. And here you would see a screw bar under each one of these. So it is either very easy, or moderate, intermediate, very easy, moderate, difficult, and very difficult. So yeah, so to make it easy, I have created a criteria that I believe it would be inshallah good if you can if you want to use it and if you can use it, or you are free to use your own criteria if you want. So I'm going to show you the criteria that I have used as well. So I'm going to do screenshots. I'll just explain some examples of this. So what I have done, so I have made the very easy one that that is a place that is very familiar, like either start of a surah that has no similarity, or start of a page that also doesn't have any similarity, or start of a story that doesn't have any similarity, or start of rubu that doesn't have any similarity. So this is what I have called it very easy. Then when there is a more challenging thing, I will show you an example of this. So if you have something more challenging, for example here, Surah Al-Nisa and Surah Al-Hajj, both of them, they start with the same four, first four was يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم. And this is so this makes it more challenging. Um, so it is just a slightly more difficult. Like that's why I called it easy. It is still at the beginning of ayah, and if the same thing happen also at the beginning of robo or beginning of a story or a beginning of a page, then it will still uh, for the criteria that I made, it will still be easy thing. So this is the score two or easy score. For the moderate score, so this is another example for the model score. So in the model score, so I made it starting the middle of a page or middle of a story. So this means there is slightly more difficulty is going to happen. And but it is still recognizable. It is not something very difficult. So when we go to score four, which is like this example. So it is less recognizable in this example. It's, you can see that starting from the second half of the page, but it's less familiar. Like the context is less familiar than usual. Like for example, فإن عثر على أنهما استحقا إثما فآخران أو or سورة الأنعام ومنهم من يستمع إليك وجعلنا على قلوبهم أكنة. So this is slightly more difficult. So I will go now to the last level, which is very difficult. I made three criteria for this one. So in this one, you would see that either starting from a random or a very unfamiliar location, like this example in the yellow color, or if it is 100% similarity, 100% similarity, something like وَأُمْلِي لَهُمْ إِنَّ كَيْدِي مَتِينٌ. It is the same in Surah Al-A'raf and also in Surah Al-Qalam, but it is more difficult in Surah Al-A'raf. And then the last example, when the ayah come at the end of the page, last ayah in the page. So usually the connection between the last ayah of a page and the coming page is more difficult. This is for today. I hope this little session is useful for everyone. Thank you. جزاكم الله خير.